Hi, Jack.
Hi.
Hi. What you got there?
Surprise egg. Gloopy goopy.
Goopy goopy surprise eggs?
Yeah.
Are they hiding in Florp?
Yes. Florp, florpy, florpy.
Okay. Go ahead. Dig. Ah!
Ew. What was that for? Hey, they're not here.
Oh, the green one's coming off. They're right in the front.
Oh, it's a...
Yeah, but find the egg. Find an egg.
Look at my hands gloopy.
There's an egg. There's one. Keep going. Find the other one.
Hand is goop.
Okay, there's one right here. Pull it up. 2. And the last one. 3.
Oh my gosh, this is slimy. Get this out of this.
Oh, good job. Good job. 3 surprise eggs. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a break. Put the slurp away. Put it aside.
And slurp.
Okay, go ahead. Why don't you open your surprise eggs and see what you got?
Here's a mystery one.
What is it?
Season 2.
Season 2 Tum Tum.
I wish I got Ariel.
Okay, let's open it and see.
Help.
Go ahead, open it up.
Eeyore.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, let's open the next one.
Too many Eeyores.
Yeah, we already had an Eeyore, huh?
Another one of these.
Another Season 2 Tum Tum. Alright, here's your Eeyore.
Yes, we have Eeyore.
Okay.
I think I got
What is this one? Yours? Mommy's favorite. It looks like Ariel. Is that Ariel? Let me see.
Oh, it's like, it's not Ariel. See?
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
A different character. I don't know why.
It's, what's his name? Angel.
Angel. You're wrong.
Okay, there's another one. Open the other egg. There's some tape on it, so you're gonna have to.
I think I see it. I think this one has 2 surprises. Something like something. It's another season 2 of Samsung.
Alright, I think Angel's super cool. Hold on, she's got like a little.
Oh my gosh,
Rip
I'm
curl.
waiting for Ariel and Cinderella. How many times they waited for Ariel and Cinderella?
Okay, let's see. Did you open it? Open it up. Oh, here. Hand me the pack.
Oh,
You're lost this cloud.
wow. The rain.
Go ahead, his rain cloud, yeah.
Ah, it's falling.
It's okay.
It's only falling. It don't matter. It's
Buzz Lightyear.
light.
Buzz Lightyear. Let me see.
Oh, I don't have him yet.
No.
Oh my gosh.
He comes with a little rocket ship. He's super cool.
This one looks like Ariel.
Yeah, it does look like it should be, right?
Yeah, I finally got Ariel. Oh my gosh. This looks like a long time for Ariel.
There's Buzz and his rocket.
I want to see the rocket.
You see it?
I'm
All right.
actually saying bye.
So what do you say?
Bye guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Believe me. I think it's stick out of this. I land on my face every time. I die. Oh, I'm gone.
Bye.
Bye.